If you're watching this video, you're looking to get in shape and get results. Now, our 30-minute workouts allow you to do this at home with no equipment. But to maximize your time, check out the step-by-step process of how to utilize each instructional video so that you get the most out of your time. Go to youtube.com. Once YouTube is loaded, in the search bar at the very top, you're going to type in E3 space strength. Be sure to include the strength because there are a lot of E3s out there. You're going to click on the top search result, which should be our YouTube page. This will give you access to all of the resources that we put out on a weekly basis so that you guys can maximize your results. Before you go any further, be sure to click the subscribe button over here in the corner. The subscribe button is crucial because we put out content at a rapid pace, and so that you guys can stay up on the fitness trends and maximize your success, you're going to want to click that button so that you get all of our content when it's released. Now, if you're looking for our at-home bodyweight workouts, I recommend going to playlists and clicking on our bodyweight at-home workout playlist. This has 24 of the 34 bodyweight at-home workouts that we've created over the past year. Now, to figure out which one you want to do, you can scroll through and see by date which ones we put out. If one looks interesting, like this one of me upside down, click that and then pause the workout immediately. You don't need to watch the whole video. What you do need to do is open the description at the bottom, like I just did, and then you'll get a brief overview of what to do. Now I can see all the different exercises, and this looks pretty intense. I want to try this workout. Now that I've decided that, I want to click on the PDF, which should be either the first length or beneath the mock-up of the workout seen here. Click that PDF, and you've got a couple options. If you open it on your mobile device, you can save this as a document in iBooks. You can save it as a picture, whatever works for you. You can also do it on your tablet or print it off if you like an analog copy. Now that you have it, read through and see which exercises might be confusing. Well, I can already tell you that mini commandos, I'm not sure what that is. Actually, I really know what it is, but we're going to look at it anyways. So now that you're back on that workout, look for a quick link, which you'll only find on a desktop version. If you happen to be on a mobile version, you will scroll to 3 minutes and 30 seconds. But luckily, we're on the desktop. We're going to click on that. It's going to take me right to the how to do a commando. As soon as it loads, I'm going to watch this video. It's only the distance that you can flex and extend your ankle. And there I'm showing you how to do a commando. So all in, you've spent about 2 minutes getting your workout, understanding your workout, and now that you know how to do it, you can get to work and get results. So get out there and get to it. It's that easy. We hope that you're able to maximize your time and your workouts. If you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, click right here, right now. And be sure to try more of our great workouts here, but we're here. Thanks.